talking about leaving the hospital.
Really? Thank you! Hey, the targets are outside!
I think she's gone.
Yeah.
Being this close
ఏం
is
జరుగుతుంది?
deadly. She has
అయిపోయాడు.
such a slender and soft body. Wait, right now? She's my girlfriend, isn't she?
కాదురా.
Like hell!
అయిపోయాడు. గుర్తులు గులాబ్ జామ్ అయిపోయి ఉంటాయి.
What do you think you're doing? Don't you ever forget that I'm just a rental girlfriend. Hell could freeze over and I still wouldn't be yours for real. Got it?